The death tolls rising after Turkey's southern provinces were hit by strong earthquakes on Monday. According to the Disaster and Emergency Management Authority, at least 2,300 people lost their lives and 14,000 others injured. A total of 14,720 people are currently providing assistance in the disaster zone, including military personnel. Thousands of buildings were damaged and nearly 8,000 people were rescued from the wreckages. Rescue work and search for people trapped in toppled buildings continues. The search and rescue efforts are being hampered by a winter blizzard as the temperatures recorded below 10 degrees Celsius in most of the affected provinces. Turkey issued a level 4 alarm after the earthquake, which includes a call for international aid. Monday's earthquake is believed to be the strongest in Turkey since the magnitude 7.9 Eastern Erzincan province quake of 1939, which killed 33,000 people.